software. In this video I am going to use the software called EaseUs Key Finder. You can get the software from the link given in the video description below. Just click on free trial and install the software into your computer. After the installation, just open it up. As soon as the software opens, it will show you the product key right here. With this software, you can also find product key of other apps that you have installed in your computer. So go to applications and select the app that you want to see the product key of. This software will also show you the login details from your browsers. Like for example, as you can see, I have 16 passwords saved in my Chrome browser, and these are the details. And from Firefox there are 4, and Internet Explorer there are 0. With this software you can also see saved Wi-Fi passwords. Just click on WLAN and it will show you the Wi-Fi password. After finding your product keys, just click on save and save it somewhere safe for later use. Our third and last method is using CMD to find Windows 11 product key. First of all, click on Windows logo once again and type CMD and right click on this command prompt app and run it as administrator. Once CMD is open, just paste this code. I will give you the code in the description below. After that, just hit enter. As you hit enter, it will show you your Windows 11's product key. That's how easy it is. So there you have it guys. That is how you can find Windows 11 product key using these 3 methods. Please let me know which one of these options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this video was helpful to you, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe.